I got shock you here.
Now woodwork and the metro tiles installation and the parapet now do for you.
Okay, now you do the woodwork
And
now you do the installation of aluminium, stucco tech, and the parapet.
yes.
Okay, we will start for the woody aspect. What type of wood when you enter, the number of the wood, and the amount when you say each wood.
Thank you very much. Like the wood we enter here now 370 2x4, then 3x4 40, then 2x3 70, then 2x2 500.
How much for each one?
Each one for this place, for this wood now, this wood with a day here, so each one now 3,005.
For 2x2, you no, put their name.
2x4 now 3,005. 3,005 for the 2x4, then 2x3 now 3,000.
Okay.
2x2 now 2,005, then 3x6 now 6,000.
Okay, 3x6. Now that one now we call polar.
Wall plate.
Okay, wall plate.
Now be 6,000. Now be the 40 pieces.
Okay.
We enter this house.
So how many bags of nail enter?
The bag of nail we enter now 4 bags of nail, 3 bags of 3 inches nail. No, 2 bags of 3 inches nail, 2 bags of 4 inches nail.
Each bag, how much is the same one?
Each bag is sold at the rate of 32,000 naira.
Okay, 32,000 naira.
Mm.
What about the agbagri? When I see for you,
now 2 bundles of agbagri day year.
2 bundles of agbagri.
2 bundles, and which is 15,000 per bundle.
Okay, 50,000 per one bundle.
Yes.
Okay. So, like, how many weeks take you to do this woodwork?
This woodwork now 2 days it take me to do.
2 days I take you to do the woodwork.
Yes.
The house now, how many flats with this?
This one now 3 flats, 2 bedroom into 3. 9 days so.
Okay, 2 bedroom
into 3.
Yes.
Okay,
what be that your name?
My name now Wadia Ege.
Wadia Ege.
Woodwork and aluminium
woodworker and aluminium
installation. Yes.
May I talk to you so many now. Sabu, so how the person contact you and give you this job?
So this person has been following through a talk show, and they have done a lot of job for them. When it came in here, if you
I don't record you for 2 for here.
Yes.
Okay.
So through a talk show, they view me, and now the sister to this very one.
Okay.
No,
okay, now his sister, I get that side.
No, my brother.
Okay, brother, I get that side.
And so
this one is sister home.
Sister home.
And he still watch it through our platform.
Yes.
As he said, do if a brother on because he do
yes.
home.
Yes.
Now you say yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
What you go like tell the person when give you this job?
Like, I need to thank the person very much. They are doing well for me, and they are making my day successful, and they are making me happy. Okay. And I want to thank everybody following the talk show, particularly because they are the one helping us. It's not by our power.
Exactly.
They are the one God sent to us. I just want to thank every one of them following the talk show. They should please help us and follow Edo Talk Show and click and subscribe to Edo Talk Show. That is what I'm begging for. Exactly. You guys should help us.
They hear you, they must still follow us. Yeah? So we'll go to this before we go to Stock Hotel. The key post where you put this woodwork. Post.
The key post is 17 height.
Okay, 17 height.
17 feet height.
Okay, that one now we send down the rain?
Yeah.
Okay, send down the rain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the aluminium stucco tech, when you say metro tiles, the total square meter when you enter in how many?
550.
550 square meters.
But
the range?
The range is 60 meters.
Okay, 60 meters.
While the aluminium long span 90 meters.
Aluminium long span 90 meters.
Yes.
The gauge of aluminium long span?
This is 0.45.
0.45.
Yes.
What about this aluminium stucco tech? You get gauge?
You get gauge.
Which gauge
like
is
this very one is 0.55.
Okay, 0.55.
Yes.
Okay, the range where you talk just now, a square meter, how much for that one?
A square meter of range is 4,500.
4,500 for the square meter of range.
Range.
Okay. the square meter of the
and the square meter of the
Socotec has a normal
roofing is 4,800.
4,800.
Yes.
Now, for be this one?
Yes, New Zealand.
This one, New Zealand.
Yes.
It gets some after some a years or some year.
No,
they change color.
No. This one is not like that. This one is very pure. The factory is okay. Everything is okay, but then.
Okay, the factory is okay. Okay. You not go leak?
No.
Because I don't come across some when ready for the under. You go to throw away. You'll be like saying a filter. How this one not be like that?
I assure you, this one not go leak. And I did a bag give us an inata. Motor bomb with the woodwork.
Yes.
Motor bomb with installation.
Okay.
So any error, okay, Larry, good day hard because I know the way I did one. Okay. See, voila.
So who want to work with the woody work? Maybe I said do the woody work.
Yes.
This woody work. So as you remember me again, you do the wood. I know you do one. Did I bush soil?
No. This one sapler wood now we use.
Okay, sapler wood.
Yes.
How this one out the dust?
No.
So wood where they dust. Any treatment they will fit treat?
Yes. Even this one self, I use treatment for.
Okay, you use treatment for this one.
Yes.
Okay, but all the wood now bush there for the con. Why you say how you call a sapler?
This one there's different types of wood. Depend on the owner. Like this very one, the owner bring am. I tell am say we will put chemical.
Oh, okay.
Now sapler wood now be this one.
Okay,
the wood go dey thick and the all what they think but all soft.
Okay. Where's soft?
Where's the yanke
okay.
But I mean I will tell biasa.
Okay.
Only we raw different types of wood, you know. Always raw at meti.
Okay.
So normal saw me raw.
Okay.
And they have a me now they tell wrong saw, which is na saw we go and saw yava we go have your eladia. Okay. So only we raw. But this very particular one sapler wood now.
Okay, sapler wood. Yes. So my people, we see the stone cutter go back to wood when we talk about just now. The house whether na bush sewing. As I say. Tell us where the wood from come. So, Oga, like this very aluminum Socotec, so when they leak, any amendment date when they fit amendment?
Depend on the way it leak because like some houses now, it can be dropping by or give a nail point.
Okay, the nail points.
Or give a nail point or get
okay.
And so we raw we again. I do day some material, I do pull so I give a lapping.
Okay.
Depend on the kinonagin.
Okay.
And so raw, all right, my visage say, I may all look to the be equal we bet. And so raw, the so raw,
so my people are here. Say someday you got to leak through that knee. They feel apply someday lapping. You see they leak through that one. If you use on that roofing soft ameda. Yeah, now they talk with Benin yourself. This often I want to hear Benin. Now see let's now know for English. So Oga aluminium ma. The accessory rent and how much accessory rent here?
Like this very one accessories we entire is about 50,000.
Okay, 50,000
for accessories because we not to do things now. Only this parapet we bend for accessories because all that things get they with the normal price like
okay.
me and other things. Now only this bending of the parapet.
Bending of the parapet.
Now I go with accessories. Now only 50,000 I will use for accessories.
Okay, like how many days take when I want to do this installation of aluminum Stocoted and the parapet side?
And like this, both the parapet and the Stocoted now one day.
Both the parapet and the Stocoted one day.
Yes.
Wow. So if you tell our audience total amount when to do this work here.
Thank you very much. Total amount for the woodwork we entire now 3.6 million.
For the wood.
For the 3.2 million, sorry sir.
Okay, 3.2 for the
3.2 million for the wood. For the wood and everything, both the transport and the workmanship. But the Stocoted
yes.
we entire now 3.2 3.950.
Okay, 3.950.
Then
Stokotech
plus workmanship, because I know the two include workmanship join Stokotech.
Okay.
I know they include and join both transport. So transport here they different than both workmanship. Workmanship for here I don't have 370. Okay, this very house.
Okay, the workmanship.
Workmanship 370,000.
Now to do the installation.
So installation.
Okay.
Then the transport way we take carry this this thing material.
The material come
now 60,000.
Okay, 60,000.
From
the carrier the transportation.
Yes.
Okay. So okay, you will call your phone number when our extreme velvet reach you.
My phone number now 091 544 11177.
Okay. And that number today?
No.
Okay. So my people, make I take one around the parapets and the aluminum socket. I want to see the view side. So my people, when they come, have a come, I carry microphone. Thank you for the. Okay. So my people, any work give our clients, we must come and monitor the job. That's why they're here for today. So this is our client. We do this work. Maybe Ubadia, they call it name just now. I do the wooden work and I also do the installation of aluminum Stokotech. Okay, aluminum. I forgot to ask you the name of this Stokotech. Na Chingo. Okay, Chingo. So my people say na Chingo. Chingo Black. I to do this job. Chingo Black. Wow. So we are showing at the under of the parapet. We want to see as it's straight. So the parapet. Wow. But before I get started, I want to watch this video.